Project management has been around for centuries. In 1911, Henry Gantt invented the Gantt chart. In the 1940s and 50s, the US military developed the critical path method and most of what we consider modern project management theory. But with the rise of artificial intelligence, project management has experienced a transformation like never before. The role of the project manager is changing, and it's time to explore how AI is contributing to that change. Traditionally, project managers have been responsible for keeping projects on track, delegating tasks, and managing budgets. But as technology advances, project managers are becoming more focused on strategy and decision making. This is where AI comes in. AI can analyze large sets of data to identify patterns, anticipate problems, and recommend solutions. By leveraging AI, project managers can make more informed decisions and manage risks more effectively. AI-powered chatbots can help project managers communicate more effectively with team members, stakeholders, and customers. These chatbots can answer questions, provide updates, and even schedule and transcribe meetings, freeing up time for project managers to focus on more strategic tasks. Project management software can also benefit from AI. For example, AI can automate repetitive tasks such as data entry and scheduling, and provide real-time insights into project progress and resource utilization. AI can also help project teams together work more effectively. By analysing team members' strengths and weaknesses, AI can recommend ways to improve collaboration and optimise team performance. With all of these benefits comes new challenges and risks. Project managers must learn to integrate AI into their workflows, manage the data that AI generates, and ensure that AI is used ethically and responsibly. Just because something can be automated, it doesn't mean it should be. Data accuracy and data integrity will likely become even bigger issues in the future. Another potential issue is the need for skilled personnel to manage and interpret the AI-generated data. Project managers will need to be trained in AI and data analysis to fully leverage the technology. Ethical concerns are another potential issue. Project managers need to be aware of the potential for AI to discriminate against certain groups or to violate privacy rights. AI algorithms must be designed and used responsibly to ensure that they don't harm people or society. So what does the future hold for project management in the age of AI? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain, AI is changing the game, and project managers must adapt to stay ahead. Thanks for watching this video. We hope this video has given you a glimpse into the exciting future of project management. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel for more PM tips.